just got it all scaled out, descaled. I think she's pretty good here. We got a sea bass, nice huge sea bass we're gonna cook up here. Yes. There we go. So on both sides, now we got a gutter. Get all the insides out. Clean her up. A little tough right there. Must be, it's a scale. Okay, how come she's not slicing the way I needed her to slice? There we go. Ugh. All the roe. The inside's a little tough right there. I think there's a bone or something that's connected. Don't want to rip all the meat inside or any poke, puncture, anything as well. Let me get this meat out. Get all this yuckiness out. Ugh. All this yumminess. There's the roe. As you see, you get all this out. I'm trying to rip this open here. The bone. It's a strong bone there. Yeah, that's a strong bone. To rip that up. It's my first time doing sea bass, so yeah, that's a strong bone. I'm about to get the. See, my chopper knife is being washed in the dishwasher right now, so this doesn't help me no good. My chopper, you know, my machete knife, blade. But we'll get her. Don't you worry. Okay, we got that. Put you down. Okay, let's get this out. Ready? 1, 2. Come on. One out. Yucky. Ugh, look at all that. Gross. Gross. And I think all this roe. It's a big fish with a lot in it. Oh, come on now. Give me a tough time in there, is ya? All that is too. All that is taking its time to come out. Should get my big blade out. This breast part, this bone, there's a bone right here by the under fins, and it really won't break. It is tough. Want to just make sure I got all this roe out of here. We'll get it under some water, clean it out. There we go. Rip you up out of there. Rip that up out. Yuck. Look at all that roe. You want some? Mmm. I'm sure there's a bird, animal out there that would tear this up right now. There we go. Finally got that to break. That's what we were waiting for. To get you up. Get these. All this rest of this stuff up. There we go. Got you. Got you. Open this up. Get all this out. Yep, all this cleaned out. So we can get this meat nice and cleaned. There we go. That's what we got left. Run this under the water. I'm a boss. Some butter on the bottom of the oil. Hopefully this knife doesn't slice all the way through, because this is a pretty sharp knife. Get that in there. Cut that. Oh, look at that. Oh, boyaka, boyaka. Oh, put a little bit more butter down there. Put that here. Still gotta cut open these other two as well. Pain in the butt. God, I feel like I'm missing a few things. I'm just gonna cook it like this, babe. Hold on.
You're gonna cut the head off first?
Nope.
I thought you did.
I wanna get the rest of this water up in it though. Look at the teeth. See the teeth? In the back? Crazy, yeah. The teeth in the back, the tongue. Yo. Oh, man. Should have had the paper towel. Damn, this awesome. Want to preheat the oven, baby? Some salt. It's, ugh, flipped right in my eye. right in my fish juice. Goes in your eyeball. Make this with some jasmine rice. Some salt. Don't get too much, but a little bit. Think that's too much? Sorry. Yes. The scales came out pretty easy. Yeah. Some lemon pepper. Cut this. Just cut it real quick. Stuff them inside. First time doing sea bass, so we just gonna make sure it's lemony. Oh, garlic, forgot about the garlic, babe.
What?
The garlic.
I put it on the counter. It's on the plate.
Oh, thanks, babe. Some garlic, we'll put you in the mouth, look, right here. We'll put you, suck on a lemon. You ever see a fish suck on a lemon? Now you have. If you haven't, now you have. Through here, must get all this lemon on here. Make it nice and zesty. You know what I mean? Make it nice and zesty. Don't need that. Some of that garlic in it. Some garlic all up in there. Oh yeah. Some garlic on top. Oh. Go on there, on there. That looks good. Are we missing anything?
I don't think so.
Put a stack of butter all up in the guts. Put some butter all up in there. Some there. Some in the background there. Wash my hands. Think that's enough spices on it then? Put this in the oven. What you preheat it at 155? What you preheat it at 350?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Fuck.
Guess
The
what?
battery's gonna go, that's why.
Battery.
Yeah.
Plug the thing in real quick. Well, you don't have to do it now. I forgot to do it the whole damn time.